Good morning, everybody. Mark from Product Review Geeks. Today, we're going to show you the MetaQuest 3S here. We just got this. We bought it the other day. They sent it pretty quickly from Amazon. So, we've got two tabs here that you got to pull off. One there and one here. I'll pull it off. Slide this thing out. And we got a little tab right here. Oh wow, they make it easy to pull open. Look at it. Real easy. Let me set it over here on the side. Let's kind of look at it here. See what we got here. It comes in this little case in the box. We've got two hand controllers, one here, one here. It looks pretty neat. Let me pull this out of here. Comes with the goggles here. And here's the charging cord for it right here. So far, so good. Alrighty. See if there's any instructions with it. Okay, let's see. You can get custom Zenny prescription lens inserts for your MetaQuest 3S too. Just go to meta.me/lens inserts. Wow, these things are neat. See, they got, let me get it up here so you can see it better. They've got protective cover on the lenses. See, they've got little things on here. And then they've got a strap, a three-way strap here. It goes here and goes on your head like this. Then you just put them on. I can't do it because I got my headsets on. Oh, I don't see nothing. What is that? Here's something right here. I don't know what this is. They come with it. Maybe it's some protective thing or something. That could be what it is. Some kind of a protective thing. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's a spacer. Yeah, you can make it tighter. You take the... Yeah, if you wear glasses. Yeah. That's what it's for. It's a spacer if you wear glasses. Look at that. Wow. This thing's pretty neat. It's got the three-way strap. It's stretchy. Yeah, look at that. See, it moves back and forth a little bit there. We've got the on and off button here. Yep, there's a power button. I think you got to charge it first, though. Let's see, is there any instructions with it? Oh, there it is. Turned on. Wow. Yeah, we've got power here. And there's a power button. It just takes it a minute to turn on. And let's turn it off. There we go. Turns off. Yeah, turns on, turns off. This little light right here lights up. There's the power button on the side here. There's some other buttons on the bottom here. Pause, plus and minus. Must be for the volume. There's another little button right here. I don't know what that is. For what?
That video is just the unboxing.
Oh, this video is just the unboxing here. We're going to test this out today, and we'll do another video on it tomorrow. I'll have one of my grandkids do it. They can show it to you. Because you know, kids nowadays know more about this stuff here than us adults do. Anyways, this is Mark. I think we got this at yeah, we got this at Amazon, didn't we? Yeah, we can leave you a link to the Amazon product. It wasn't very much, 380 bucks with tax, I think. All right, well, thanks for watching, everybody. This is Mark, the product review geek, saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow. We'll have the grandkids demonstrate this thing tomorrow. Thanks for watching.